Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to delete your Instagram account. To do this, first tap on your profile icon in the corner and then tap on three dot icon in the corner. Now tap on account center, scroll down and tap on personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Now tap on deactivation or deletion. Now select the account which one you want to delete. Now select delete account and tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Now select any reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Scroll down and tap on continue. Tap on continue again. Scroll down and continue again. Now enter your account password and tap on continue. By doing this process, you can delete your Instagram account. Thank you.